everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is another a day in my life vlog. I hope you enjoy this one as much as you enjoyed the previous one. Good morning everybody. It is 8 in the morning and I have just woken up. My classes start at 9, so I just have this time to just prep myself up for the classes. So I'll quickly go freshen myself up and come back. Okay, so coming back after thoda bahut procrastination of not using my phone, I still used it for like 5 minutes. I have strictly decided that I would not use my phone after waking up, but I just can't help it. Anyway, I'll try to lessen the time duration slowly. So right now I have thought of doing a bit of walking, stretching kind of thing, because abhi it's like 8:15 and the classes start by 9. So I have 45 minutes. So I'll just walk for a while, do a little bit of stretch. Okay, so hello everybody, welcome to our terrace. So I did a 10 to 15 minute stretching and a 10 to 15 minute walking meditation kind of a routine, and then I quickly went back to the room and made my bed. Then I quickly prepped up my study table for the class to begin, and then I had my morning drink in my hand, which I drank along with the class going on. I took notes, I did my class, which was around an hour or an hour and a half long. Then I sat down for my second class of the day and did that also, took a bit of notes, made a little bit of diagrams. Okay, so the class just got ended. Abhi there is a break of 25 minutes. 10:35 हो रहे हैं, 11 बजे से दोबारा नेक्स्ट क्लास है फिजियोलॉजी. तो अभी आई एम थिंकिंग मेरे 1-2 डायग्राम्स इनकम्प्लीट हैं मेरी हिस्टोलॉजी फाइल के. आई विल मेक दैट एंड उसके बाद टाइम बचता है तो आई विल सी इफ़ आई कैन स्टडी एनीथिंग. सो लेट्स. These are the diagrams that I prepared for my histology file, and then I quickly prepped myself up for the third class of the day, which is again physiology. And then I took notes side by side, read a bit, listened to what the teacher said, and wrote a little bit of points in my book. And then I had my morning milk and my breakfast, which I had along with the class only because it gets late otherwise. Then I quickly took a shower, made my hair, and did my everyday dose of skincare, thoda bahut. And finally then I sat down to study physiology, obviously because usi ke lectures ho rahe the. So I did whatever was taught on that day in the class. Okay, hello everybody. The class got over around half an hour ago. I posted a reel meanwhile on Instagram, which was a study labs. So if you want to check that out, you can follow me on my Instagram. The link will be in the description. And now I think I will go downstairs, have my lunch, and then come back and resume studying, because I spent a lot of time, around half an hour on Instagram again. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so here I am back from lunch. It is around 4 p.m. and now I actually thought of shooting a reel today, a dance reel, which I have to do, for which I have to sort my outfit and all of those things. So I'm gonna do that right now. I am postponing my study session as of now. I will be doing that in the later part of the day. Right now I need to sort the clothes that I'm going to wear, get ready and shoot the reel. So I quickly slipped into the selected clothes and I decided to make these Dutch braids as my hairstyle because I really love them. So I made those and then I quickly decided to put these cute earrings for myself. I won't be showing you what I shoot today because for that you must follow me on my Instagram, my dance page. You will definitely get to know what exactly I shot. You can go there, check it out, and yeah, tell me how did you like it. Okay, hello everybody. It is 2 hours from then. It is almost 6:30, like more than 6:30 only. I took 2 hours in shooting 2 reels, a few photographs, and yeah, it has taken quite a long time. It always takes. Anyway, I will be cleaning my face up, changing my clothes, getting back to my normal clothes, and then probably I don't know what will I do after that. Hello, so I'm back. I cleaned up my face, but I did not open my braids because I was finding them really cute and I didn't want to open them. So our evening coffee is here. Have a look, which I'll drink. And as of now, I opened up my to-do list, which I make in my planner. I mentioned about my planner in the stationery haul. If you haven't checked that video out, I will link it up here. You can check that out. So I opened up my to-do list. So I have a bit of studying left today, which I'm thinking to do in the later part of the night because right now I don't feel like studying. But another thing that was in my to-do list was reading. So from today, I'm starting to read this book, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. And I really hope that I read it like properly and in a consistency because I'm very bad at reading. I literally suck at reading. If you have got any tips that may help me in reading, please do give. I really want to read stuff, but I just can't. I'm just not consistent in reading, so I'll try my best to at least read at least 4-5 pages every day so that I complete this book. Wish me luck, and let's start. So I just read a para and then my mom called me. She had made this bread pizza, so I have just got this. Now I'll eat it and read. So I've recently taken up this new habit of learning one new thing every day, on which I open the internet randomly and search for random things and read about them and learn about new things every day. So today I read about World Hemophilia Day, which falls on the 17th of April, and I also read about the different kinds of hemophilias that occur in human beings. Okay, so I did my reading bit, I did a bit of learning bit, and I talked to a friend also for like half an hour on call. So it's dinner time, so I'll be going downstairs to have my dinner. So today mama has made pulao for dinner, which we'll have together, like I along with my sisters. We watch TV together. Today we are watching Best of Luck Nikki on YouTube, and this is our dessert for the day. It's a chocolate cake that mama prepared. Hello everybody, I'm back from dinner. So basically after coming back, I decided to walk for a while. I usually do it after dinner because I probably like it. So I'm walking right now. I'll do this for like about 15-20 more minutes, and then I am going to sit to study. Before that, I might do my skincare, and then finally I'll sit to study. I'll study a bit, and then I'll do my basic night routine, and then I'll sleep most probably by 12. It is 10:30 right now. Meanwhile, in between, before dinner, I posted another reel on Instagram after editing it. Also, a lot of people have asked me that what do I exactly use to edit my videos and my reels. So for my reels, I use the InShot app ka free version. I don't have the paid version of it. So I use the free version, and if I need some more extra effects or something, then I try using different apps from like the App Store. I just randomly download them and use them. Recently I've been using Prequel app also, and I find it also amazing. Apart from that, for my long videos like YouTube videos, I mostly use iMovie. Mostly iMovie, and if I need some extra effects or something, then I go up and look for softwares online. And that is pretty much how I edit my videos for YouTube and Instagram. So coming back, I edited that video, that reel basically, and I have put it up on Instagram. You can check that out as well. It is on my dance page. That will be also linked in the description, so you can check it out from there. Okay, so I'm done with my walking now, and as I told you that I thought of sitting back to studying, but I'm not feeling like studying right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a diagram, because I don't feel like studying abhi, and I don't want to do anything apart from studies also. So I felt like making a diagram of a bone to learn all the muscle attachments and everything. So I'll be doing that abhi. So I'm finally done with my skincare, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my planning for tomorrow, journaling. I'll play a bit of soft music, which is very relaxing and calming, and then in like 15-20 minutes I'll go off to sleep. This is my absolute favorite part of my day, where I write about every single thing, every single thought that I had in that particular day, and I absolutely love journaling. And then I plan my next day. I write about the things that I needed to be completed on the next day. And in a while I go to sleep, along with some soft music playing in the background, as you can see. This was how a day in my life looks like. If you did like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, comment down below and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay happy, stay safe, bye bye.